Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Hannah. I do some training on Excel. Today we're gonna talk about how to merge two cells together or join them. This is the data I used from previous, and to show to you guys how to join these two columns A and B together. The formula we use is concatenate equal sign concatenate. Okay, so this is the formula you use to merge two cells or more. Okay, open it and then click the cell you like, comma, and then you add next one. If you have more, you can always add more by adding comma. And for this one, I'm just gonna close it. So here you go, you can see you add two cells together. This will help you, especially when you do a VLOOKUP and you want a specific item to look. You can actually merge like numbers with date or numbers with location or something like that. So you can just, drag this, and also you can say, let's say if you want to do word, let's say you want to add good on this cell, and the other one you have, okay, if you have stuff like this, let's say you want to add those two together, you'll come here, concatenate, open, click here, comma, click here, and then close. Okay, and you have it. Good morning. And one more thing to show you here. Let's say in here you wanna add a word or some kind of figure in here to separate those two. You can actually come here, comma, let's say you want to add and, okay, and then close your comma here, and then put another comma here. You are telling it here is add these two cells and then add n and in between. Okay. In here, let's say you want to add comma, you want to add a small. Okay. You can come up with saying, here you go, good morning. Okay. This is pretty much helping you to merge or to join two rows. Alright, hopefully this short video help you how to join cells. Don't forget to subscribe, and always appreciate for your support. Thank you.